Everybody's talking about Wall Street and the housing bill that just passed the Senate. But after spending some time reading the legislation, I think they're missing the bigger story. Here's what caught my attention. What happens when institutional competition decreases in parts of the housing market? What happens when more opportunities become available to local investors and owner occupants? What happens when Main Street investors regain some of the advantages they've lost over the last decade? Those are the questions I believe real estate investors should be asking. Now, to be clear, this bill isn't aimed at the investor buying a rental property, duplex, or smart portfolio. The restrictions primarily target large institutional investors controlling 350 or more single family homes, which makes me wonder, will this legislation solve housing affordability? Probably not. Will it dramatically change the market overnight? Probably not. But it does signal something important, a renewed focus on home ownership and housing supply while creating opportunities for everyday Americans to participate in real estate ownership. And whenever the rules of the game begin to change, opportunities emerge. The investors who benefit most won't be the ones reacting emotionally to the headlines. They'll be the ones paying attention, studying their local markets, understanding their numbers, and preparing before the opportunity becomes obvious to everyone else. At SmartREI, we talk a lot about clarity before capital. This is one of those moments where clarity matters because good investing isn't about chasing headlines. It's about understanding what is actually happening and recognizing opportunities before everyone else sees them. The numbers protect the dream. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think this legislation creates new opportunities for local real estate investors?